My name is Cavan. I'm Operations Director here with Core Insulation. So Core Insulation is a leading supplier of EPS insulation in Ireland and the UK. So we supply insulation for floor, external wall wrap, cavity fill bead and our leading EPS foundation system.
Core asked us over 12 months ago to give them a price for a job here, and we were delighted to be asked. And we looked at two different sizes of systems. Then we spoke to certain people in the ESB and they gave us the advice of what to do. And there's 380 kilowatts of panels on the roof. There's two 100 kilowatt inverters. And I suppose at its peak, it'll produce about 220 kilowatt hours of power per hour in the depths of the longer, brighter days in the summer.
We have a long relationship with you, Michal, in hybrid energy. So, 10 to 15 years ago, you put up the original system on the roof here, which was 15 kilowatts. The payback in that system was 3 years. It was exactly as what you documented in your proposal, and we were delighted with it. So what the system consists of is 380 kilowatts of panels up on the roof, coming back down to our switches and our inverters. So it's 200 kilowatts supply into the grid if it's at max. This is part of an Exceed project which we got along with other upgrades we've done in the factory. We put in a new manufacturing line, we put in electric forklifts. So I suppose the whole aim of the project is to make reduce our energy usage and reduce our carbon footprint. So every energy source we put into that goes into the EPD of our products. So by reducing our energy usage, especially our electrical energy, this system we projected will take about 40% of our electrical capacity out of it. So we're saving fossil fuels by 40%. So it's a 40% reduction in our electrical energy usage and a massive impact on our energy bill. Now, we won't fully see the benefits in winter time, but when it comes to next spring, we should be self-sufficient during the days and then would supply into the grid at the weekends. So everything was coordinated to have no impact on the business at all. The area we chose for the inverters was away from our product. It was in an area beside our other electrical panels, as you see here. So it was a safe area for electrical install, so no impact on the day-to-day operations of the plant.
What we have here is the G10 relay. Now this is, once we go over a certain size of a system, which is over 50 kilowatts, the ESB want us to put this in. This here is reading each phase. So this is the kilowatt hour meter. This is telling us what the system's producing. This is built into the G10 relay. And basically this here had to be witness test by the ESB for over voltage and under voltage, so that in the event that the power goes off, this system shuts down 300 milliseconds before these two inverters behind you. And this is the G10 relay, and this is the ESB sticker of approval on it. So at the minute, the building is using 110 kilowatts. 73 of those is coming from the PV, and the rest is coming off the grid. So I suppose at this minute in time am I right in saying 2/3 of your power is coming off the roof? This system from it was installed, I'm going to say, was it the last week in September? First week in October. It is 18,000 units of power produced in about 2 months, which is, for this time of year, it's phenomenal. The ESB, we had to work very closely with them. They gave us the go-ahead in September, and the grant runs out at the end of October. So it was a very tight schedule to get the whole job done. And thankfully, we completed the job on time, and Core has received their grant money today.
We have a lot of respect for the work that Michael and his team done, and all the guys. It's all done in a very professional manner. I suppose the proof of the pudding is they've worked on many SEI jobs and they know the standard required, and they don't take shortcuts. And you get a good job at the end of it, and that's why we go to Michal and his team.